Hey guys, today we're going to work on one-point perspective doors and windows. This is going to be a simple door and window combination. I'm going to do the windows on both sides of the vanishing point so you can see what it would look like. When you do the doors, you want to count the width of the door. So here I have 3 feet, and I'm going to go ahead and draw my vertical lines. And then I'm going to figure out the overall height of these doors. Now, a standard door is 6'7", but my ceilings are so high, I'm going to make them a little bit longer, a little bit taller rather. So here's going to be the height at 9 feet. I'm going to go ahead and finish the opening. So this is the opening of the door, but it doesn't quite look like a door just yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset some lines around the door. So here's the casing. I'm going to do it on both sides. I'm going to do the same thing to the top side. Alright, and then I'm going to give the casing, the side closest to us, a little bit of an offset line. And that just shows the thickness of that casing. So it's just a little slight offset. So I've got horizontal line at the bottom and the top to kind of finish that perspective. Because one-point perspective, you're going to see horizontal lines, vertical lines, and lines that will go to the vanishing point. So this part right here is line going to the vanishing point. So now I have the opening of that door frame. Now I'm going to do the depth of this opening. So here's another horizontal line here. And then I'm going to draw a vertical line at that intersection. And then at the very top of that door frame, I'm going to do another horizontal line. So at this intersection, this is like the depth of this door frame. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw a line from the vanishing point. So now that's the opening, the frame, and the depth of it. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom line. So this might be the face of the door itself. And now I'm going to go ahead and draw like the door design. I mean, this part, you're going to look at the door type you've selected. And the top of the design, maybe the bottom. And then I'm going to give an offset line, a little bit of a mitered corner. I think it's like a raised panel or something. And this is why it's really good to have a reference image so that you're drawing and you're looking at the reference image so you can get all the little details. But basically this is the way you're going to approach drawing a door in one-point perspective. And now we're going to go ahead and do the windows. So along this back wall, I'm going to go ahead and draw some windows here. So you're going to do the width of the window. I think I'm going to go with 4 feet here. And then I'm going to count the height of it. I'm probably going to line it up with the top of this window, door frame. So I'm going to have 4 up here as well. And this part is pretty easy. You're just drawing the rectangle for the door, the window opening. So if you want to do an artwork piece that kind of looks like that, but you're doing a door, so it's going to have some kind of exterior depth there. So I'm going to draw a line to the interior corner. So it looks something like that. And this part I don't really measure, I just kind of draw an offset line. And then there's the kind of the exterior thickness of the wall. And then a line, horizontal line at that intersection for both the top and the bottom. So that's like a basic window, a basic opening, and that's basically all you do. Because the vanishing point's in the center of the room, you're only going to see the left side and the top underside of the header. You might see just a little bit of the sill, but that's basically as simple as it is. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the right of the vanishing point. I'm going to draw a window so you can see what it looks like. See what parts of the window you will see. So that is the same dimension here. So I'm going to use this line, existing line that I've drawn for the sill and the header. So I've just extended it over, and then all I'm going to do is draw a line from the corner using the vanishing point till it intersects the sill depth line that I had extended. And then I will drop a vertical line here, and where that intersects, I'm going to go ahead and finish a vanishing point line, and there's your window. So this is what the window will look like to the right of the vanishing point, where you'll see the inside of the right side and the top under the header and the sill, but that's about it. And then if you want to show the glass line, you're just going to do a little slight offset, because if you don't, it just looks like an opening for the window. It doesn't have any glass. But if you really want to get detailed, you're going to look at the framing, if you have any mullions, that kind of stuff. But this at least will get you started on drawing a window. I hope that helps you, and I'll see you next time.